Hello everyone! Do you know that one of the most famous Korean food cultures is chimek? Chimek means chicken and beer. The combination of Korean chicken and beer, also known as Korean chimek, is now getting more and more popular these days among many foreigners. Chicken recipes in Korea are endless, and now it even reached the point where the word KFC is now referred as Korean fried chicken. The chicken that I'm going to make today is Cokechicken. I'm going to deep fry the chicken pieces and coat them with unbelievably delicious sauce mixture, which is made of Coke. Sounds very interesting, doesn't it? There's no word or vocabulary that can express how delicious this is. So you just gotta try this. So if you folks are ready, let's go and make super duper easy, mind-blowing Cokechicken right now. Let's cook! I have 1 kilogram of chicken pieces, and I'm going to cut them into smaller pieces now. And now let's marinate the chicken pieces. Let's add 8 cloves of garlic, 1/3 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. Lastly, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk. Instead of using milk, you can use alcohol like Korean soju, sake, rice wine, or white wine. I think vodka works well too. And now, let's give it a nice massage. And now, let's pop this in the fridge for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, this will be perfectly marinated. So while we are waiting for chicken, let's make batter. Powder mixture. 1 cup of frying mix powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And also 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. And this is really important. Again, this is curry powder, also 1/2 teaspoon. And this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Well, the frying powder that we just put in is going to make the chicken super crunchy, but cornstarch is going to make the chicken extra crunchy. And now, lastly, let's put 2 teaspoons of sugar. And whisk them all together. Now, 2 hours passed, and I'm going to bring back the chicken. And now what we're gonna do is that we're going to add this marinated chicken into the dried ingredients. And let's coat them evenly. So let's just mix them well together. The marinated chicken smells really good right now. Let's bring 1 cup of water, and I'm going to add this into the chicken pieces, but do not pour all the water at once. I'm just gonna keep adding the water just a bit so that there's enough water to help them mix. Like I said, don't pour all the water in at once. Just keep adding just a bit of water. It looks like it's done. When your chicken batter looks like this, they're ready to be fried. And now let's pour frying oil into the pan. And turn on your heat to really high heat. When you're frying the chicken pieces, please drop them one by one so that they wouldn't be stuck together. And also, don't crowd your pan, because if they're crowded, the oil temperature will drop really quickly and they will be very soggy when they're done. They will not be crunchy, so please don't crowd your frying pan. When they are lightly golden brown, you can take them out. See, they're lightly golden brown. Although they look really perfect and they smell really perfect too, don't eat them now because we're going to double fry them for more crunchiness. When you're double frying them, please fry them only 1 or 2 minutes. Done. These are double fried chicken. I mean, the smell is so gorgeous that it's killing me and everybody in my house and probably everybody in my neighborhood. But since today's recipe is Cokechicken, I'm going to make sauce mixture now. Okay, so let's add 3 cups of Coke. One, 2, and 3. And let's add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce and half tablespoon of minced garlic. And now let's bring this to a boil over medium heat high. When we are boiling the sauce mixture, as you can see, there are lots of bubbles. So let's skim off all the scum from the pan. This is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I'm going to mix this with just a bit of water. and 2 tablespoons of oligosaccharide. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And lastly, let's put 1 green chili pepper. You can just use scissors to cut this. Can you guys see that the sauce is getting thickened and very shiny? And the sauce is done. And now my favorite time has come. I'm going to put these chicken pieces into the pan and mix with the sauce mixture. And now mix the chicken pieces like you mix salad. To make it more delicious, let's drizzle some sesame seeds. Today we made Cokechicken. Did you like it? Did you like my recipe? I hope you do. If you're ever invited to any potluck party, please take this dish with you. Then everyone will be impressed with your cooking skills. Please subscribe to my channel and please give me lots of thumbs up too. It's free of charge, as you know. And I'll see you next time with better recipe. Bye!